washed and cleaned goats and bay leaves, onions. Hello everyone, good evening, good morning, good afternoon from wherever you are watching from. It's me once again, Fantastic Deba. I'm here this evening to make this goat's meat Asun, which means a goat's meat pepper sauce. When you make that pepper sauce, very spicy. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using for this goat's Asun sauce. So let me show you to the ingredients. This is my washed and cleaned goats and bay leaves, onions, bell peppers, those the sweet bell peppers, scotch bonnet I'll be using for the Asun pepper, a little bit of red bell pepper boiled, and onions with garlic and ginger, all-purpose seasoning, curry, thyme, ginger and garlic powder, onions to boil the meat, fried chariot. This is my fried chariot. This is my all mixed herb, then scotch bonnet to boil the meat, and salt to taste. So putting in my goat's meat. Okay, my gas is already on. As you can see, remember I've not put any water in this. You see, so we'll allow it to continue to simmer before I'll be adding a little bit of water to it. Let's give it some more minutes. So let's give a check on it. You need to always keep your eye on it so it will not get burnt. So let's add a little bit of water to it to allow it to go. You know it's goat meat. Okay. So we allow that to cook. I will give it a taste. Yes, everything is perfect. So we allow to cook. We'll be removing the drugs out of the pot, so I will put it in the same pan just to fry. That is it. Let's see if it results. So as it's getting hot, let's just put a little bit of onion. Let's start frying. Now we are going to start with the frying of the pepper. So I'll be putting my onion. Wow, sorry guys. I will be leaving this for later. At this point in time, I will put in my mixed eggs, the one that I used before, the remaining one. Then my fried charlotte, okay. My all-purpose seasoning. Give it a nice stir. I will now let go of my pepper. This is something about 6 Scotch bonnets. That is why we call it Asun. Very, very, very spicy. Okay, guys. So I will put in my boiled red bell pepper. Just a little. You see that? You don't need much. Okay. So I will put in my sweet bell peppers. Okay. Then we'll give it a nice taste. Wow, look at the aroma in this place, guys. So we'll put in our onions for that crunchiness. Immediately they'll put in our meat. They will allow it to simmer. Then it's done. Okay, guys. So now let go. So guys, we need to cover and allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. Then it's done. That's wow. That is it, guys. So thank you guys for watching. My old and new subscribers, may God bless you all for coming back to watch my videos. Please give this video a thumbs up, share to your loved ones and family. Thank you. Bye bye.